Ka HSPDP kala ajing ero bat kersyan ru ya kajing ajing mut jong Menteri Ramba kejala Assam halor ke give and take policy ban pen bahaya ke cimpen baik put jong kejala Assam bat megelayam. Presiden ke HSPDP upak kipi panjang ulapan pau kejing ero ya kejing ong jong Menteri Ramba kejala Assam banwat ya kilat kilenti ban pen baik nyo ya uput usam kedai lemba ke give and take policy. Uba panjang ula ajing mut ru bak sokal jela lari ban khot ya kejing yelang bat baro kiseng san perthai lembat kinong mikmat jong ki autonomous district council kinong sensasnong lembat kiseng balang banyak ran halor kan ikapang.
Regarding the long pending issue of border dispute in between Assam and Meghalaya, we the HSPDP, we are keep on saying, keep on demanding that we want to settle once for all. We want final solution. We want permanent solution, so that will not create any problem to the people residing in those areas. As far as we know, that there are 12 areas, 12 pockets of differences, and this matter has been raising by our party from time to time. But today, now we are very happy to see the positive response from the central government. Number two, we have seen the statement of the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam that they have a political will to settle this matter once for all before the celebration of the 75 anniversary of the Indian Dominion or Indian government. So from our party, we have two suggestions. How to settle this matter once for all? Number one, we are very appreciated with the statement made by the Honorable Minister of Assam, Chief Minister of Assam, that the way to find out final solution is to adopt the policy of give and take. I think, and we feel that this is the best, suggestion, proposal to find solution permanently. Number two, from my side as a party president, I also feel like that it is very important to take into account from the local opinion or the local mandate. Because if we go through all those documents, since the matter has been already 50 years almost, so I feel that local opinion, seeking local opinions, and give and take policy, these are the two options we can reach to the final solution. So the party now will take a final call with the state government to take this matter seriously with the Assam counterpart, and we hopefully that once the government of Meghalaya and Assam were in the same page to settle this matter, we hopefully that this matter will be settled before celebration of the 50 years of Meghalaya statehood, and at the same time before we celebrate the 75 years of celebration of the government of India. Since last 2 years back, in 2019, 2018, even last year, we know that this is during the pandemic period. Even though we keep on pushing, we keep on demanding the government of the day to talk with Assam counterpart to start reopening the discussion, the dialogue to find solution of this border problem. So even last few weeks, we have the honorable minister from our party. He keep on saying with the government, to the party also we are keep pushing with the government to take this matter seriously, because we have seen that last year there is no opportunity due to this pandemic period. So at the same time, election of Assam is going on last year, but now it is high time, good time for the government of Meghalaya to talk with the government of Assam and to take the matter into confidence. Now it is high time for the government of the day to call the meeting everybody on board. It is very important for the government to call a meeting with all the political parties, with all the stakeholders in the matter, like the ADC, Autonomous District Council, maybe of the Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills District Council. We need to take them on board. At the same time, we need to take on board each and everybody, like we call traditional head, like Seem, Sardar, Dawai, and maybe even with interested like NGO also, those who are taking a serious responsibility to solve this problem. So before that, if the state government take everybody on board, sit together, find solution together, prepare well whatever we need from the documents, ground to be ready or in place, to be put in place, then we'll take a call and we will have a talk with the counterpart of Assam in such a way that we will get one consensus, one mind, one solution, one suggestion. No? That is our suggestion from our party.